Yo, what's going on, guys? Top of the evening. We are going to have an upbeat video. Screw the price, screw the stock. The whole market is red as red can be. Price means squadoosh. We have said this for a year, guys. Let's get back to thinking that way. Remember, all these gains you've seen, whether you got in like I did at $7, $8 average, ran up to 72. I was up hundreds of thousands of dollars, 300 and something thousand. I'm not bragging. I don't have that kind of money, but all those gains are gone. They're unrealized gains, right? We are not sold a damn food stamp. Nobody's selling anything. You can't convince me after a year of holding. The community has gotten so strong over the last year, especially the last 8 months. Nobody's selling the stock. This thing is manipulated, not to mention this does not help anything. Red, red, red. We have been red, red, red since the beginning of the year. It is now 1/18 of 2022. So nobody panic. Nobody sold anything. You're not losing shit until you sell the damn stock, right? So let's have some fun with it, right? I mean, god dang it. We're waiting for the shorts to cover. This thing, who knows what the short interest is? I'm not looking at Ortex anymore. You guys know that. I canceled my subscription about 3 months ago. It's not, I love Ortex. It's not, you can't believe anything that's out there. That data is so manipulated and wrong, and the reporting of it is just, who gives a rat's ass? It is monstrous. The FTDs are monstrous. The XRT that contains GME in there, all-time high since 2014. Everything is going in line, you guys. The price, don't look at the price. I get it. We don't want to do it. We got to do it, but we don't want to do it. I know. Let's start off with a little humor. This was hilarious. For whatever reason, cracked me up. Bellwire Boy over on the Super Stock. Look at this. This is bleeping hilarious. Someone get a midair margin call. Mail Force 1 U-turn. Look at the old Mail Force. Where was he going here? We're going to Chicago, or from Chicago. Okay, we flew across Louisville, made it to whatever that is. I can't see. I'm half blind right there. We did a violent U-turn here going back to Chicago. Can he get margin called? It's so kill. We're still tracking these airplanes. Remember when Boss Blunts was doing it, and then we had the other guy, I think he was on Superstock, just tracking these airplanes down. How fun is this? Let's get back to the fun. Screw the rest of this nonsense. But that really did crack me the heck up. Okay, let's go from cracking up to just the stupidest thing I've seen all day. Shout out Unusual Whales, our boy over there, our savage brethren over there. Look at this. Breaking. Today, 9:35 a.m. Biden will let Congress decide rules on members trading stocks. Of course they will. I mean, who else is going to make that decision, right? Jesus. Oh, you guys, I don't even want to get into it. But just think about that. Of course he is. Screw it. Let Congress figure it out. We already know which way that's going to go, probably, right? Good night. You guys remember, the market is redder than red can get. How many trading days are we in, you guys, off the top of your head? 5, 8, whatever we are. It doesn't matter. We're the 18th of the month. We're 3/4 of the way into the month. It has been a bloodbath shit show. This is just the S&P 500 today. So, yeah, I mean, yeah, it's part of the whole gig. Screw it, man. I don't care anymore. Look at this. GME, AMC, GME, AMC. Yes, those are two different tickers, ladies and gentlemen, on the shitty Yahoo chart. Good night. So what did we lose today? 8.41% on AMC. Closed at 1884. Made up 16 cents in after hours at 1860. GME took a hit too. The exact same type of hit over here, right? 108.91 and 108.99 after. This here. This is XRT. The short volume on XRT is at an all-time high. This is the ETF containing GME. All-time high since 2014. These are adding up, you guys. The short interest, again, is through the roof. It's all compounding together to be a combustible, ticking time bomb. So screw the price. Don't even look at the damn price. Block it out. Do whatever. Change your password. Give your neighbor, your grandmother, your password. Don't even log into these goddamn things. Don't worry. Remember, you'll know if the stock goes up. All you got to do is log into any of these damn devices that we got out there, right? So, yeah, you guys, it's a ticking time bomb, right? And then also, to remember, who's holding these stocks? GME, 585 total. Remember, you guys, some of you that have been around, I used to love to bring this thing up every time we checked it, new ownership. New ownership in Q4 on AMC as well, some on GameStop too. We don't need to go into it. All we need to see is this right here. 585 total, 529 long, 22 short, 34 long short. Remember, you guys, we're so used to seeing these things manipulated. Sure, the big guys are buying shares, lending out shares. It's part of the gig. They're there to make money. They're not in this thing for short squeezes like us retail folks are, right? There's a lot of people, a lot that are long on the stock, including AMC, call us 90%, GME probably about the same, if not more, of the free float, right? We own the damn company. Adam Aaron ascended up to 90%. What'd he say, 3-4 weeks ago? So remember, you guys, this is what you need to look at. Don't look at such of the positives. And it's tough to look at shit like this. Go back 5 trading days, go back a month, go back 3 months. It's tough to look at this and think, oh my God, is anybody on our side? I get it. I do the same thing. I'm a year into holding this. A lot of you guys are, right? But remember, people are long on these stocks. AM Sizzle, what did we get? Another more popped in there today, 114, 118. Who cares? This is what we care about. Folks are long on the stock. 579 total institutionals, 524 long, 25 short, 30 long and short. Remember, we're holding a lot of this stock, okay? Do not panic. Kathy Wood chimed in over here, I see. Kathy Wood says meme stocks like GameStop aren't ARK investment thing, but she won't criticize retail traders for going after them. But she kind of did in this little article here. It's her quoting basically everything that you're not supposed to do. And we get it. We're not supposed to. Meme stocks are not our kind of stock. And Kathy's not doing too well over there, by the way. Just saying. What they are doing was asking, hey, which stocks are the most shorted out there? Maybe those people are going to be wrong. Yeah, that's pretty much what we did, Kathy. I think the whole entire goddamn planet knows that, right? But we've learned just a few things along the way. A lot of things, to say the very, very least. She kind of goes on in here and just says, hey, you're not supposed to be doing this, that, the other thing. Yeah, we know. We get it, Kathy. We get it, honey. Do not panic there, sweet cheeks. And then this again, too. We did bring this up the other night. This has been blasted from asshole to breakfast all over the damn World Wide Web. Wall Street funds tracking retail investors. Some of them said, JP Morgan said they had some sort of data back in September of 2021. Yeah, they're watching us closely. We all knew that. We all frickin' knew that. A little bit GME related, but Loopring. But, are they going after Loopring now with the FUD articles containing GME? And Loopring took a little bit of a dump, too. I think it's down about half, about 50% where it was 240, 250, 260. It was hovering around. Now I think it's at 120, 130. So who knows? It's all manipulated. It's all BS, you guys. The whole world, the whole media economy, the market, oh, man. I wish we could all just go have a huge-ass Vegas party, just party it up, hang out down there, and not worry about this thing until the stock goes up. I know it's tough, you guys. Who gives a shit about the price? I'm done looking at it. I don't care. This thing's manipulated, shorted into the ground, and there's FTDs piling up from here to the high heavens. Okay? So nobody panic. Nobody worry. Keep a track. If you want to do something fun, keep track of Kenny's airplane over there, the Mail Force One, they call it. Okay, guys, I'm fired up. Screw this shit. Don't look at the price. Who gives a rat's Azteca? Okay? Peace.